Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning how to draw a cute magical unicorn. Get ready for rainbows, sparkles and a unicorn that's so cute it might steal your heart. So grab your colors, relax your mind and let's jump into this magical drawing together. Let's start drawing. And guys, here we have a little funny story for you while we drawing. This drawing something like that. This unicorn suddenly started acting funny. It said, "Hey, make my hair extra colorful. I'm going to a rainbow party." So I gave it pink, blue, purple, and a little bit of magic. Then it smiled and said, "Perfect. Now I'm cute enough to be famous." And here we are, drawing a unicorn that believes it's a superstar.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
And tada! Our cute colorful unicorn is almost ready, guys. Full of colors, smiles and pure magic. If this unicorn made you happy, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below what color should our unicorn use next time. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep smiling and love yourself. Bye bye.